Hey everyone, Paul Giese here, sales specialist at LDV, and today we're going to take a look at Duffy O'Connor's 24-foot MT-55. Let's take a look at some features. Whiteboard in the L-desk area, double repair stack with a built-in socket center, huge open box area here with a movable divider to accommodate different box sizes, mini horizontal hammer rack, slide out tray in the exterior storage box. So what do you think? See anything that you like? Give us a call and we can start putting your floor plan together.